completed chapter 1 in your computer. Chapter 1 is being completed in your book. Now we'll move to the next chapter of it, and that is the chapter 2, and it's none other only and only hardware and software. Well, you have learned about it in the previous class. So in this chapter, this is chapter 2, hardware and software. Let's know what we will study in this chapter. We will study what is a hardware and what is a software. Well, a computer is a collection of various parts, right? And all the different parts, they work together. Means computer, बहुत सारे parts computer में होते हैं, and वो सारे parts मिलकर एक साथ काम करते हैं. And this is why they are also known as computer system. These all the different parts like the mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU, they work all together. They work all together. So that's why they all are called together. They perform. That's why they call computer system. Now the computer system is made up of the two main parts. There are the two parts that computer system is made of: the hardware and the software. Computer two parts से बना होता है, hardware and software. Well, it's very simple. Hardware are the parts of the computer that you can touch and you can also see. Means the parts of the computer that you can see as well as touch are called the hardware. It's so simple. And the parts of computer that you cannot neither touch nor you can see are called the software. So let's once take the examples of hardware. Hardware are the parts of computer that you can touch or see, and the examples of hardware are the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. You can touch these objects, right? Suppose this is a book, you can touch it. So this is the hardware. Now they are the hardwares. And what is the software? The parts of computer that you can neither touch nor you can see are called the software. And software, the examples of software is all the inside systems like the MS Paint, MS Word, all the systems that include inside. So let's study first all about the hardware. Hardware के बारे में हम लोग सब कुछ पढ़ेंगे पहले. Hardware, as I have told you, the parts of computer that you can touch, and like keyboard. Now keyboard is the very most common hardware component of the computer system, and it has a number of keys in the keyboard. Means on the keyboard you can see number of keys. Those small buttons are known as the keys, and they are the different types of keys like the alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, and the special keys, and also the shift key, enter key, the space bar key. These are the special keys. So alphabet keys means A to Z key, number keys 0 to 9, special keys are the backspace key, delete key, enter key, arrows key, and also the space bar key and the shift key. And then comes the function keys from F1 to F12. The stop line numbers are called the function keys. F1, F2, F3. They go still from 1 to 12. That is the function key. Okay. These are the parts of this is the hardware, and the first hardware component is the keyboard. Now let's come to the second, and that is the monitor. Well, monitor is an output device and it has a screen. Also, everything that you want to see, that you type from the keyboard, that you are able to see on the monitor. So monitor is an output device and it displays the output results. It gives you the results. Now the third is the mouse. Well, mouse is again an input device, and also the mouse is known as the pointing device. A mouse has the three buttons: the left button, right button, and the middle button. Middle button means to scroll that. See, this is the mouse, and you can see that you have the scrolling button. Okay, and then after mouse, we used to draw the shapes, we used to draw the pictures, we used to click through the mouse. Again, that point is known as the cursor that you can see on the screen of the monitor. Okay. Now the CPU. CPU is the processing device. It's neither the output device nor the input device. It's a processing device, and CPU is the brain of computer. We have already been discussed in the prior lessons of the video, and then these are the parts of computer that you can touch. Okay, again, printer is an output device. It takes out the printouts of the whatever the paper you want to get it on. It takes out the Xerox. So printer, scanner, CD, hard disk, these are some examples of hardware. Hardware means जिसको आप touch कर सकते हो and you can see it, right? The parts of computer. Now the software is what? The parts of computer that you cannot touch with a see. So software, it's like a processing. It's like the IPO cycle that we have discussed in the prior lesson. Okay. In the prior chapter, we have discussed about the IPO cycle, and there are the different types of software, system software and the application software. About this and the further details of the chapter we will study in the next lesson of the another day. And here is the lesson about the introduction of hardware and software. Means आज हम लोग हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में पढ़े हैं कि ये क्या होते हैं. इसका एक ब्रीफ में हमने सब सारी चीज़ों को समझा है कि हार्डवेयर को क्या बोलते हैं, हार्डवेयर क्या होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है. एंड आज का लेसन आपके लिए बस इतना ही कि व्हाट इज द हार्डवेयर, व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर एंड देयर एग्जांपल्स. नाउ टुमारो इन द टुमारोज लेसन, इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन विल बी स्टडीइंग अबाउट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स, टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स क्या होते हैं, एंड देन विल कम टू द वर्कशीट्स ऑफ द चैप्टर. इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड आपके जो वर्कशीट्स हैं, जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, विल गिव यू फॉर द होमवर्क. एंड टुडे द होमवर्क फॉर यू इज कि आप अपने नोटबुक में चैप्टर 2 चैप्टर का नेम, कॉन्सेप्ट मैप ये लिखेंगे, बनाएंगे अपने कॉपी में. एंड आप अपने कॉपी में ये लिखेंगे व्हाट इज हार्डवेयर, its definition, what is software, its definition, and also the examples. This is your homework for today, and this is your book. And all the best. Keep learning with us. Thank you and have a nice day.